Hey everyone, it's the first day of 2019. It's cold, it's snowing out, and I got very little sleep last night because of New Year's celebrations. But I had a choice. I could have either stayed inside and moped around the house, or I could go outside for 20-30 minutes, get after it, and then go inside, shower, and feel so much better for the entire day. Exercising for me, especially when it's cold like this, it's like a reset button. It's hard to go outside, don't overthink it, just get out, get moving, and you're gonna feel so much better for the rest of the day and about yourself for getting outside and braving the weather.